How y'all doing today? YouTube. Buddy Love pellet and scrap removal. You see Buddy Love working all by himself today. I should get some help later on, but I gotta load all these rims up. Probably got about 20 of them. It's 8:30 in the morning. I'm sweating already. Well, it's time to pay the bill, so I'm going through my garage, cleaning out some of the stuff. I'm gonna sell them sometime this week. I'm giving all that to Lady T and Granny. But they cannot have my compressors. They cannot have my compressors. Let me get back to work.